Today we're going to talk about something that I failed with, big time. When you glue the tiles to the floor and the adhesive is not really connecting to the tile, I will show you how it sounds. So if you listen when I tap the tile, it sounds like this when it's good. But when we come here, you start to hear another sound, and this is where the tile is not properly glued down. We're gonna drill, I think, 3 holes, one here, one over here, and probably one in the corner. And then we're gonna fill that up. I'm gonna start with this one, the blue one, and see how that works. And you might ask yourself, why are you using grout to fill it out? Well, grout is not as good as adhesive, but it is really good because it sticks really well between these tiles, and it does it for a long time. And you can dilute it with water, so you get it really runny. And this is what we're gonna do. I just want to explain why I keep tapping with my wooden ruler in case it's not obvious to you. While I'll fill the holes, the tone of the tapping changes, and even though it may seem full near the actual hole, I want to be sure that the void also a little further out fills up well. Just to summarize things and make things a little bit clearer here in the end of this video. The tile that I used was extremely hard to drill into, so it took me a long time to find a drill bit that actually worked for more than half a hole. But I found 2 in the end, and these 2 are the ones that I used in this video. The steps that I went through in this video are: first, I tap the tiles to find out where it's loose or where it has debonded from the adhesive. Then I decide where to make the holes. After that, drill the holes. Make sure you have a nice edge and use a vacuum cleaner to clean them out so that you don't have any loose debris in them. After that, you mix up the grout. You make it fairly diluted so that it can be administered through a syringe. Fill the void underneath. You can probably find the syringe in your local pharmacy. After that, clean up and let it dry. When it has dried, find a grout that suits the color of your tile, and then put the grout in, and then just let it dry. If you have any questions, write me in the comments. And also if you have other suggestions on how to fix this problem, write me so that I can learn. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And comment as much as you want, and I'll try to get back to you.